Good morning, this is Jim at appointment 847885. What we're looking at actually is new construction, but greatly oversized. We've got 100,000 BTU single stage Rudd furnace with nominal measurements of 21 by 29 by 33, supported by an 8 by 20 return, and we got a condensate line. Now I want to point out the condensate line comes up and then it flattens out. It's a little bit of concern. It then goes over to a bathroom over here. What they did was they converted a boiler fed house to a gas forced air system. So we have a total footage of just under 1,100 square feet. Then there's a dormer upstairs, so I calculated it based on 1,400 square feet. But this is 100,000 BTU. I'm proposing a 60,000 BTU two-stage furnace. We have a 4-ton case coil over the top. I'm proposing a 3-ton case coil over the top. So in doing all of that, we will have to do a little bit of a transition with the filter, which is a 16 by 20 by 1 filter. So we'll have to do a little bit of transition tin there, and very clearly with the new coil we'll have to do some transition there. It's already a 2-pipe system, so that's all fine. All of this is all brand new because they just did the conversion. The one other area that I want to point out is the inspector is complaining about the return air upstairs. So I want to show you that real quick. And while we're down here, let me just show you So our electric panel, if I can believe it, because it says AC there, so it suggests that the AC is on a 50 amp, so that'll have to be changed probably to a 25 amp with the update. It doesn't go along with the legend over here. They're talking about joining the club, so I've strongly recommended that we have our electric guy come out, because we got Square D in the side box here, and then we got GE in the main box here.
The smaller box is for the basement.
That's just basement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, if that's basement though, then that would feed the furnace probably.
Correct.
I
think.
It does not appear to be feeding the air conditioner. So that's what we've got there. Part of why we're here is they're trying to move into this place successfully, and they're having a few issues with the village. So I want to show you one last piece on our tour before we're done. So the inspector is complaining about the return coming over here and it not being sufficient for the space here. And my suggestion is if we extend it into this sidewall over here, can make it as big as he wants it to be made without it really dramatically changing things. So we're going to have a discussion with the inspector about what he needs to be happy there.